exploring the charm of tabletop fountains. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of tabletop fountains. These delightful objects can add a touch of serenity to any space. Let's explore what they are, their significance, and how they can transform your environment. Tabletop fountains are small decorative water features designed to sit on a table or a flat surface. They usually consist of a basin, a pump, and various decorative elements like rocks, plants, or sculptures. The key here is their size and portability, making them perfect for indoor spaces. Every tabletop fountain has three main components. 1. Basin. This holds the water. 2. Pump. This circulates the water, creating the fountain effect. 3. Decorative elements. These can vary widely, from natural stones to artistic sculptures, adding beauty and character to the fountain. Understanding these components helps in appreciating the craftsmanship and design behind each unique fountain. Tabletop fountains are not just decorative. They offer several benefits. Aesthetic appeal. They are a visual treat, enhancing the beauty of a room. Soothing sound. The sound of flowing water is calming, creating a peaceful ambiance. Humidifying effect. They add moisture to the air, which can be beneficial in dry environments. When selecting a tabletop fountain, consider size. Ensure it fits well on your table or chosen surface. Design. Choose a design that complements your room's decor. Maintenance. Consider how easy it is to clean and maintain. Tabletop fountains are a wonderful addition to any space, bringing beauty, tranquility, and a touch of nature indoors. We hope this video helps you appreciate these charming objects and maybe even inspires you to get one for your space. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to sharing more interesting topics with you.